Hey Glam Dolls, so I am here today to share with you all a collective haul of artificial nails purchased from my local Dollar Tree and Walmart. Yes, I'm gonna start by digging in these bags. That's gonna make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what nail designs did MGA find this time. Yes, and I want to start with Walmart, since that's the smaller haul. And let me get in here. Oh my god, Glam Doll, let me tell y'all, if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll, you know my obsession when it comes to doing my own nails. I really have gotten into doing my own nails, and for some that would see the amount of nails I'm about to show you, they will go, oh, you know, that's a lot of nails, or oh, you know, she doing too much. No, I'm saving so much, okay? Because I used to be up, look at me, I said I was going to show you the nails I've got, and I'm running my mouth, but I'm gonna speed it up. Yeah, I have really gotten into doing my nails, and in a few videos ago I already showed you a sneak peek into my artificial nail collection, and this is just more stuff I got to add to it. And as I was just saying, no, seriously, I really gotten into doing my nails myself, and I used to be up in the nail salon like every 2 weeks, dropping for anywhere from $40 to maybe $70 depending on the kind of designs, if I was getting gel nails or just acrylic nails, or just, you know, some kind of jewel designs and all kinds of stuff. And I used to be up in the nail salon like every 2.5 weeks, swapping out, you know, nail designs. And I had to realize I was spending a lot of money doing that, okay? And with me, I'm a beauty on a budget, and to me, being a beauty on a budget simply means how you choose to allocate your money. So I'm choosing to allocate that money that I was spending up in those nail salons somewhere else, and the amount of money I was spending in the nail salons, look how many nails I can get and I can swap out and do them myself. So I'm gonna start in this Walmart bag. I know that's what I said. I picked up a few Kiss nails, and the first one's from the Glam Fantasy collection of Kiss nails, and I already got a video, which is this video right here, down in the description box below, of showing how I applied that set of the Glam Fantasy artificial nails by Kiss. So if you're interested in seeing it, it's down below. So anyhow, I picked up the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion nails, and these give you an amazing gel look with an ultra smooth finish, and looks like this right here. I got it because it's a gorgeous ice blue looking color, so I snatched up that one right there. The next ones I picked up is like the one I just showed you in that video a few moments ago, and this is the blue version to that. Again, the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion nails. That looks like that right there. I'm loving the accent nails that's included in on this, and how is these are navy blue, but yet it has a little bit of a gold reflect in it. Absolutely loving those. Still with the Kiss brand. The next two I want to show you come from the Jewel Fantasy collection, okay? These are newly released, and in this pack you're getting 30 nails, including 6 jewel nails. That means I can do my nails 3 times off of one pack, and one pack only cost me about $8. Where else can you do that? Look at this. Do you see the I don't want to get the glare. You see the designs right here that's on these nails? Let me zoom into that. Zoom into it, because look, you're getting the jewel accent nails, and you're getting the artificial nails, and you're getting 30 in this pack. And this pack is only going to run you about, give or take, I want to say less than $10. And you get to do your nails 3 times with the accent nails. Come on. If you was going to the nail salon, you best believe to get a hand that look like this, you're going to spend way more than $10. And if you want to get technical, you're only spending about what, $3.33. Yeah, $3.33 to do your nails, because it's $10. I'm gonna say it's $10 for the pack, and if you get 30 nails, you get to do your nails 3 times. Come on, where are you gonna find a nail salon that's going to give you this kind of looking nail for $3.33. Tell me, because I'll be there. The next pack, still with the Jewel Fantasy, and I picked up this one right here. I'm loving the turquoise color right there, and I'm liking the little jewel designs that this one has too, so I got that right there. Now, still on with the Kiss brand, I wanted to kind of bump it up a notch. So when I'm not wearing my Kiss nails, I still want the jewel accent on my nails. So I purchased these Kiss Jewel Accents, and these was $2.99 each, and they look like this right here. These are the two designs I decided to go with, and these are the jewel accent, and you're able to place these on your nails. These are in like a clear adhesive type, so you'll be able to apply these effortlessly easy, and I got those two designs right there. And the last two packs I want to share with you that still comes from Walmart. Now these are from the Salon Perfect brand, and the first one is called Lux Nail Set. Looks like this right here. I got this design, and I like these because it has the accent nails that's included with it, so I picked up that design. And the next pack is again for the Salon Perfect, but this is just called Design Nail Set. And with each of these packs, you're getting 24 nails in a pack, and I picked up that design right there. And that concludes my Walmart artificial nail haul that I picked up. And I kid you not, Glam Dolls, I mean, come on, seriously, going back on the Kiss brand and you getting 30 nails to a pack for only $10, $3.33 can do your whole hand, and you're getting jewel design accent. Stop playing. You ain't gonna find no nail salon doing that. So I'm now gonna share with you my selections from my local Dollar Tree. This is where it's going to get really, really fun. I kid you not. Oh my gosh. The stiletto nails are back in Dollar Tree. Yes, get you. I kid you not. Let me start digging in the bag. Oh my god, I got so many to share and to share with you all. So when it comes to the stiletto nails, as I was just mentioning to you, they're looking like this. They come in a pack like this. These are the stiletto nails that are now popping up back in Dollar Tree. I was not playing. When I said I racked up, your girl racked up. So I got this design right here, and just to show you I wasn't playing, okay, just to show you I'm not playing. Told you I'm not playing. Your girl was not playing. I racked up. So that was that design right there that I just showed you, which is somewhat like a marble-ish kind of looking design. That looks like that right there. I'm going to show it to you one more time. The second design I picked up is more so on the coral end. It's like a coral color, and it has an airbrush design on them. The next design that I want to share with you is along the peachy side of things. It's a peach design with white airbrush designs on them. I hope you can pick up the airbrush designs. I'm hoping that you can. If not, I will insert a picture somewhere over here showing them to you. That looks like that right there. And the last one I want to share with you is the infamous black and white design. It looks like this right here, which is also what I'm wearing on my hands right now. These nails right here that I'm wearing is in this pack right here, and they from Dollar Tree. Your girl was not playing. I went all the way in on the stiletto nails that was in Dollar Tree. That don't even compare to the rest of the nails that I still got to show you. So let's keep going. So now moving on, I purchased these right here. I got this design that was up in there. The only thing that I don't like about the Sassy and Chic brand is that they don't label the design of the nail that's in the pack. So I gotta get creative and just describe it to you all. So Dollar Tree, Sassy and Chic, if you're watching this video, holla at your girl, because I got some creative, fabulous names that I can apply on these packs. So like I was saying, I picked up that design right there. I then got this design right here. It's like a pink and a blue. I then still went in for some more of the French tip design. That's the French tip design. You can't go wrong with French tips. I picked up a repeat buy, another pack of the pink ones. These are pink and it has an airbrush type design. I then picked up some baby blue. Got the baby blue going on. Got the baby blue. And some of these are repeat buys because I love the design so much. This is another clear one with some airbrushed tips. That looks like that right there. That's a repeat buy. Got another French design, but these have little bows on them. They have little bows on them. Look like that right there. Still on with the French design. I was not playing. I picked up another pack of the white French tips that have a glitter accent on them. You know, some type of glittery accent on them. Got that right there. Then I got some pink and white ones with some silver accent nails. Look like this right here. I picked up those. Then, oh, these are super cute. These are the polka dot ones, and it has accent nails in here that says like love and, you know, some little designs on there. So I picked that one up just the same. Super cute. These, I don't know why I picked this one. I just picked it up just because. These are cute. It's a mint green color and they got hot pink flamingos on them. That looks like this right here. Here's another repeat buy. I got some gray ones that have some little polka dot accent designs on them too. Picked up that one. Oh, I picked up another pair of my black and white because you can't go wrong with black and white nails. Yes, ma'am. I picked up that design right there. Then I seen these. These are super cute. They navy blue and white, and then it has some accent nails in this just the same. So I snatched up that one right there. Navy blue and white. The next one, oh, another one, another airbrush design one. I showed you that before, so I got that. Keeping it on the animal side of things, I picked up another pack of these right here. I wore these to death. All the ones that I had like this, they went like that because I was wearing them to death. They the black nails with the animal print accent nails. Super adorable. Every time I wore this design, I got plenty compliments. So I got that right there. And what else? Oh no! My video is almost over. Okay. Let me keep it moving. Okay. I picked up this one again. I seen this design from before, so I decided to snatch it up again. Got that one right there. And my all-time favorite one that when I saw this, I just took the whole row. These are the neutral nails. These are the neutral ones with the black accent nail, and then it has like an off-white accent nail that have a flower design. So I got that one again. And one last one. This is a purple pair with the accent nails that look like that right there. And yeah, dolls, that concludes all my artificial nails that I hauled. And like I said, this was a collective haul. So between last month and this month, that's how I accumulated all these nails. But I don't know about y'all. I you know, some may watch this video and go, oh, you know, oh, that's too much nails. Oh, you know, that's too much money to be wasted. I ain't wasting no money. I'm saving a lot of money. Because where else can I go ahead and get a full set of nails for just $1? And what I like to do with my nails is I mix them up. Like this pink and gold and this pink and brown. I would take a few from here and a few from here. And then I would create my own customized, you know, artificial nail manicure. So that's what I be doing. Oh, one last thing, and then this video is going to be over. A glam doll of mine have asked before, because she didn't say if it was okay to say her name, but hey, glam doll. So she wrote in and she was like, MGA, you know, when it comes to doing your own nails, artificial nails, what is the best nail glue that you find that really works for you? Well, I already told you in the comments, but I'm gonna let everyone else know. When it comes to doing my nails, there's only 2 kinds of nail glues that actually really work for me. One is by Kiss that looks, excuse me a second, that looks like this right here. This nail glue comes with the, I don't have the Kiss nails with me. But the Kiss nails that I just showed you, like the Jewel Fantasy line, this nail glue comes with the artificial nails. It is a pink gel nail glue, the pink gel version. The gel nail glue is so much better than the liquid, you know, regular nail glue that one would use to apply their nails. This adheres much stronger and lasts that much longer. The pink Kiss gel nail glue, which it is sold separately, and in fact I will make sure I link it down in the description box below, because it's kind of hard to find in the stores. I buy mine off of Amazon, so I'll put the link down there for you. But I like using the Kiss pink gel nail glue. Now, when I am not able to get my hands on this and, you know, I run out, I found a fabulous alternative that you still ain't got to break bank for, that comes right from Dollar Tree. This right here, this is the Sassy and Chic Instant Pink Nail Glue, and this is in a gel formula. So if you see this pack of glue right here, it's in a skinny tube, and it comes 2 in a pack. As you can see, just like the Kiss gel glue, it comes in a skinny tube. This one comes 2 in a pack for $1. This is going to last you a good long time, depending on how many times you swap out your nails, but it's going to last you a good while. The Kiss the Sassy and Chic pink nail glue that looks like this right here. I just recently bought 2 more packs, and that was what I wanted to share with you. Oh, and I got some cuticle trimmers. But on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. I know this video was kind of long, but I wanted to share with you all the nails that I did collect, and like I said, I already showed you before a sneak peek into my artificial nail collection, and I will be giving you the full collection very, very shortly. So just stay tuned for that. And if you're a newbie passing through and you see me for the very first time, my name is Glam, and all the official Glam dolls in this community on this channel, and when I say official means subscribe Glam dolls, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So what you're going to get from me on this channel is me sharing a lot of fab beauty on a budget finds that you won't have to break bank for, because the amount of money I spent on all these nails that I just showed you is equivalent to me getting 1 set of nails done at a local salon with the different accent nails and or designs that I just showed you today. For real, I said it before, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and join in on this amazing official glam doll community. Don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.